a time, there were two turtles whose name was Daisy and Franklin. And then they excited to go to someone's house to eat candies at home. And then first they ran to Fox's house. Let's see, do you have any candies? And Fox said, no. And then he went to Beaver's house. And Franklin said, do you have any candies? And Beaver said, no. And then he ran to Goose's house. Do you have any candies? And Goose explained, no. And then he went to Skunk's house. And Franklin said, do you have any candies? And Skunk said, no. And Franklin said, do you have any candies? And Peter said, yes, I will give you one candy and then go home to eat them. Because I have a lot of candies to share with you, and I will eat them, and when it's finished, I will get some more. Goodbye, bye. And then they went to sleep, eat their candies, and have night lunch, and then they fall asleep. The end. Bookmark.
Show mommy the picture. Tell mommy who's those people? Who are those people?
The people. That's Bear. That's Minnie. That's Daisy. And that's Frank.
Where are the candies?
The candies.
Candies, yeah.
Candies here. Can I see?